Greetings, hello everyone. This evening, uh, someone asked, how do I cut and paste from Google Docs to do a report in PalFish? So, I had asked if they wanted me to do a tutorial. I didn't get a response, but this may be beneficial. This may be frightening to some of you, but I do my reports in Google Docs. I have Google Docs on my phone as well. Uh, so I type them in Google Docs and then I keep that record for me. And I'm just setting this system up, as you can see on my, uh, you can see I'm still quite new here. But anyway, so I have, I'll click on my, I'll go back. I have a pending report to do. So I'll click there, and of course I'll click here where it says finish now. I click on there, and I'll keep the stars there. Hannah is a fantastic student. And then so instead of typing in here, which I don't like doing, what I do is I've typed it on my laptop already, and because I have Google Docs on my phone as well, I have to go to Google Docs, and I had it open because I am beginning to keep all my students' reports on Google Docs. So, because it's easy, and I can track and see what I've done. So here we go. It's Hannah's class today, and on my laptop I see exactly this. So this is what I wrote about her, and I merely need to put pressure, and I will select everything by moving. Okay, we have to be careful here. Aha, here we are. I've selected a box. Now all I have to do is copy. Let me just move over here. Yes, so I just need to, do you see this green dot over here? The green dot here, that's where my cursor is on my laptop. So I've selected a cell, so I'm going to copy that cell. And I'm going to click this button here to show all my running programs. I am going to go back up and choose PalFish, and then I am going to put pressure in the box. You will see this appear, paste autofill, and what's the other one, frequent phrases. I don't have any frequent phrases. I give everybody an individual report based on our lesson. Then I'll click paste simply, and then I will, the only thing I have to do, of course I've done my spelling check. I'm not perfectly happy with the wording in this, but I'll just, there's a space there. And do I have anything up here? I will just delete those unnecessary spaces here. Just backspace, and then there we go. And there are no, get rid of all the extra spaces, and then I can go up and just push send, and my job is done. So that is how you cut and paste, and no more after class jobs to do. So there you have it. That's how you can use cut and paste from Google Docs. I particularly like it because after a test you are required to include 200 words in 2 boxes, and I once found it very difficult to edit in one of the boxes for some unknown reason. Anyway, I hope you found this tutorial beneficial. You may not like it at all, but if you are like me, I like doing it this way because I don't like editing on my phone. Righto, thank you very much. I hope you found this useful.